So this side was crunched in a lot. I'm slowly getting this back outward.
Yeah.
We're gonna grind a lot of this, like make sure this is all cleaned up. I'm gonna try to like blend all this in.
You got.
I'm trying to save like $100.
Oh, that came out decent. Oh, that came out
It looks
good.
like
Look
shit,
at it.
but it worked.
It works, yeah.
And they bolts up
No
like
one's perfect.
around there. And the battery goes in there. I just gotta do some grinding and some welding. Then it'll be done. And then I can start other shit.
Well.
Oh, here. I already found the problem, my guy.
Here, let me see, bro. Let me bring the camera.
I can show you.
Ow.
Sorry. That right there, I'm almost positive it's not regular oil. It's transmission fluid, I bet. Oh.
So I'm leaking transmission fluid.
Well, I don't actually know, to be honest, because your exhaust is kind of wet.
So point to where it is again.
I gotta feel this real quick. That's actually really just shiny. But that bolt right there, that brown bolt or black bolt,
Yep.
it was dripping. And that might be the drain for the transmission.
So
But-
the drain plug maybe.
Yeah, which we didn't drain any fucking fluid, dude.
No.
So
So that could be
we
it.
also didn't drop the transmission. Remember? We dropped the engine.
Yeah.
So that wasn't us.
So I don't know. This is just our common mistake, right?
Is there a chance that you might have not seen the droplets? Or maybe
Probably.
it only dripped when it was on, and then when you drove it, it kind of like flinged to the back?
Probably, yeah, because it wasn't really too noticeable. Yeah, I really couldn't tell. Look at everything fine because the whole oil stains and leak and all the oil gunks around the engine was like mostly on my mind like there's a leak coming from somewhere. So I think we found the problem with my transmission.
I see what was probably making you smell.
Exhaust leak?
No, you'll see it when you get down here. It's like the side like carpet shielding that's hitting your exhaust.
Gotcha.
Yeah, bro, I think it was your drain plug, bro. Your drain plug had probably just didn't have a seal on it, and it was probably leaking. We didn't realize it, or maybe it just started leaking when we put it back in. You know.
Yeah. We got it one. Look like the
Do
cell.
you remember what this clip is? I don't remember how it goes.
Is that you talking about the clip that's connected with the DSSR to the shifter joint? Yeah, it's like a little rectangle. It's like a rectangle clip
Yeah.
or square clip. You took it off?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and disconnect the shifter right now. Oh, but it's in gear, I forgot.
You want me to take it out of gear?
I'm not while I'm under here. Here, take this right here.
Here. Alright.
And we'll like really chalk the wheels, I guess.
Alright, so we figured the issue, what it was this whole time. So technically it was this metal rod right here, this metal rod right here that's going across. That's the other one. So we took it apart from the end where the transmission is, and Kyle was able to just move the shifter, and the shifter looks fine, and it's the rod that's causing it. So this rod is pretty much just jammed up. So we're gonna just take apart the whole short shifter. Imagine, like, that's our main problem. Like,
And then because it was so hard to shift, it was probably causing a misshift every once in a while.
Like,
I can't even drive this car right as it is.
yeah, like I'm thinking now. I have another transmission.
No, exactly. And once it does start to go, we'll change it. But now we don't have to change it.
I know. We have an extra one. That's sick.
Now we can focus on everything else.
I have an extra one. Hey, if anyone wants to buy my transmission, it's a GetRag G260. Sell it for you for. I'll give you the discount. $300. I got it for $400.
No, not good, man. Keep it, please.
I guess you're right. I kind of want to let it gutter like that. That'd be sick. Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
There's an extension here.
This is crazy. Well, I can't believe this happened.
Bro.
I mean, like, we go as we learn too, so. I'm hyped. There you go. Oh, word. This is this is what it is. Shit's so jammed up. Look at that. The fuck? Yeah, see? Wow, there's a problem, huh? Oh my god. Wow. I swear to God, when that went in smooth. I don't get it.
No grease, I guess. But
I'm
I want to
pretty
know
sure
if
we
it's
greased
that
it.
ring is moving.
It's gotta be the brass, this inner piece.
I'm trying to like move it and watch that other piece as well.
Maybe it's that inner piece, the brass. Maybe we just gotta shave it down and space it out a bit.
Yeah, we gotta hammer this the fuck out, dude. Oh, we're not taking
twisted.
it.
What the fuck? Look, someone's already doing the noise for us. It's
We
Sunday.
are farmers.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, we're beasts. You know that?
Bro, I'm happy. Oh my god. I got an extra transmission.
Oh shit, bro. Look at it. I didn't realize.
Oh, so that's what was causing the twist.
Yeah. Should we get a fucking...
Wow. Didn't notice that. The fuck?
Hey, at least now we know.
Because the thing is, we didn't see that. The whole thing was already twisted in. I think that was causing the issue when it was coming loose.
Alright, hammer, please.
Where is it? Oh. I'm looking for the bigger one. Try this one.
That's perfect. That's good. Really good.
It's coming out, but the bushing's coming out too.
Yeah,
The brass bushing's coming out. So basically, that little brass bushing is inside. That's coming off with the little stud that's on the rod. So
heat.
just have to fucking
Heat, man. Heat. Where's the torch at?
heat. We just need to heat it up.
Awesome. Maybe good. It's long enough. Just send it. I'm gonna keep it
On here? On here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
I can't believe that was that. It ended up being that whole issue.
Why we check, dude?
I'm glad. That's sick. I'm hyped. Like I said, I mean, like, I got an extra transmission now. Wow.
Sometimes we jump the gun because that's how we are.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is crazy.
Alright, so now it should come out.
shit. We got it out.
But that's kind of ruined. Can't use this anymore. It's gotta go down the garbage.
Okay.
But we have another one, so
yeah. So we're good. Is it working or no?
I don't know. I think so.
Oh yeah, it is. I can see the sieving coming off.
No.
Yes.
That's how we wanted it.
Yeah. Alright, we're good.
And we don't have much play at all. So it's slightly, you already know. It was barely and it's perfect.
Yep.
They good.
We're good.
I think it's working.
Download the Domino's app today and become a piece of the My Rewards member and earn points toward free pizza.
I do not own the copyright of that.
I don't think. Yeah, we're good. We're good, right?
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the shifter rod twisted and tight. Bingo!
We're gonna put grease on this part.
Before you shift it, I'm just gonna try to get a light on. Hold on. Try shifting it.
Awesome.
Let's go. We fixed it. Hell yeah. We fucking did it. I'm hyped. I am hyped.
Now, you gotta help me out and get some stuff done on the actuator, right?
For real, I'm done. I can't believe it took us that long, but the thing is, it's
that long.
No. I mean, like that long to get it fixed.
Oh yeah.
But it's just been really cold, you know.
Cold, and I can't work out in the cold.
Yeah, see, he can't either. I can't either. I mean, a lot of people can't. If you doing car work outside, and if you live in New England, it sucks. But we just gotta manage it, so the best we can.
Well,
Dude, now I can have fun driving to work now. We're good.
I don't even know if it was ever like that, dude. I think it was really kind of harder. It was stiffer, even when we first did it.
I just gonna feel shit. What's it called?
It feels okay. We're gonna have to give it a drive and see if the transmission's still okay from being.
But we still got a leak though, so we just
we gotta figure that out. I think maybe that was the drain plug, so we're gonna have to.
Get a new drain plug.
But that also means draining the transmission fluid and putting more in, which kind of sucks.
We're gonna have to do it anyways. I mean.
Yeah, I know. It is what it is.
But as of right now, we figured that issue. So.
Yeah, that's like I said, that's huge.
And this transmission leak, this transmission fluid leaking, it's not consistent. So.
Yeah, it wasn't. You didn't see a puddle, did you?
No, I didn't see anything.
So I'm not even worried about that, bro. Like I said, that was just I was looking for a reason for the transmission to be broken.
Right. Anyways, if anything goes wrong, we have another one in the garage, so we're good. I'm happy. Yeah, I think I just gotta put the interior back. Not interior, I just gotta put the trims back, the plastic piece, and reconnect the window connectors. We're good to go. You're just grinding out your welds?
Just like these ones, cause
Oh yeah, it's just so the battery fits through.
yeah, so it doesn't catch on anything.
It's just spray painted, bro.
Yeah, I definitely gotta paint it. We can do that today too if I have it.
Alright. So I'm gonna edit this video right here. I'm gonna help him do some work on this car, on this RSX. Since it's good weather, we still got a bunch of time today. That's all set. I just gotta put the interior pieces back on, but I can put that on somewhat later on. Super easy. Let's call it a day then. Other than that, we just gotta put it back on the ground. And that's it. But yeah. Okay. So, that's it. Bye. We'll go around the block. Bro, it shifts so smooth.
Not bad.
That's so quick. Yeah. It's quick. Like.